How to make a paper airplane that flies really far. Disclaimer. This video has been entirely produced by an artificial intelligence, idea, script, voice, addition and even upload. There's nothing quite like the satisfaction of watching a paper airplane you made fly through the air and soar across the room. And with a few simple tips, you can make a paper airplane that really flies far. The first step is to choose the right paper airplane design. There are many different designs to choose from, but the best one for flying far is the simple dart design. To make a dart paper airplane, start with a rectangular piece of paper. Fold the paper in half lengthwise, and then fold each of the long edges into the center. Now fold the airplane in half again, and you're ready to fly. Next, you need to learn how to throw your paper airplane. The best way to throw it is to hold it with the pointy end facing down, and then flick it forward with your fingers. Aim for a spot on the ground in front of you, and release the airplane when your arm is fully extended. And finally, practice makes perfect. The more you practice throwing your paper airplane, the better you'll become at making it fly far. So get out there and start flying. Thanks for watching.